How's it going, everyone? My name is Nick Pasquale. I'm the Director of Tech here at Keller Williams San Diego Metro, and today I'm going to walk through the process of setting up for your Zipforms for the very first time. So to get started, the only thing that you are going to need is your DRE number, which is located on your Department of Real Estate salesperson card that you will get in the mail after passing your test and paying your fees. So currently I'm located on the car.org website. From the car.org website, we're going to go up here and click sign in. If you do not have a car account set up, we're going to go ahead and click register. And then it's going to come to a page right here that looks like this. Enter your NRDS ID and last name. If you do not know your NRDS number, or you're not sure that if you even have one, all you're going to do is come on here and click find your NRDS ID. And it's going to take you to a website that looks like this. So we're going to come to a page that looks like this. Select a recovery method below. Enter your last name and email. If you do not remember your email, the bottom option is the one I usually do. Enter your last name and real estate license number. Your license number is that number located on your real estate card that you get after paying your fees. So my last name, which is Pasquale, which I'll type in right there. My real estate license number, 16328. We're going to press submit, and then you're going to get your NRDS number right there. So mine is right there, so I'm just going to select that, copy it, and then we're going to head back over to the car registration page where it is asking you for your NRDS number. So from here, we're going to go ahead and paste in my NRDS number, and once again, we're going to put in my last name again. We're going to press submit, and it says, it looks like you're already registered with car.org, which is perfect, because if you forgot that you had an account or didn't know you already registered, now you can just go ahead and press login. If not, just complete the registration, and then you will have a car.org sign-in information. So from here, go ahead and sign into your car.org account with your username and password. And once you're signed in, all you're going to do is come up here to the first circle that says Access Realtor Secure Transactions. Press that, and then you're going to come to another page that looks like this, and you're going to go ahead and access Zipforms. Wait for this page to load. Might take a minute, and then you're going to press Continue to Transactions. Wait for this to load again. And there you have it. Now you are officially in Zipforms Personal Edition. If you have any thoughts, questions, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me in the comments or just message me personally, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.